Day 4, trading Topstep. So I need to mark off the 30-minute candle. Change that to blue. Might get a break here. I think we're going to get a break here. Let's see.
Order filled.
And this is just in case. I like the consolidation right at the top of range, and I'm just willing to take the chance on it. I'll be right back. So I like this on the longer time frame as a 3-bar play. Big rise, small consolidation, and then hopefully more upside. But in case it just goes, I don't want to miss this trade. And I would expect 57, call it 58 to 72 is 58 to 72 for 10, 14 points. So pullback, halfback would be 7 points down, which would be 2, 5, so 65, so somewhere around here. If it's bullish, I wouldn't expect us to go any lower than 65. I'm gonna raise my stop a little bit. And I'm absolutely willing to add another contract here. What I'd like to see is I would like to see this bar close as close to a doji as possible. And that'd be strong consolidation right at the top of the 30-minute high. It'll give me a lot of confidence to add another contract. But we might just go. Let's see what this looks like on the larger time frames. It's kind of a mess with the orders. Kind of got a little channel right here, right here. Yeah, it looks bullish to me. Let's see what the daily looks like. Oh, that's a mess with all those orders. Come down to the 5 minute. All right, I'm just going to take this here. Nice little push.
Order filled.
All right, I'm good with that. Not necessarily done for the day. I'd like to see if we can get a pullback to 72 to 30-minute breakout over the next 23 minutes. Then I'd look for a re-entry. I'll be right back. Just waiting here. Just want to see how this develops. This move just looks a little extended, and I was in towards the top. So I'd like to see some sort of a pullback. Still have 20 minutes. I do really like this as a potential 3-bar play, although it's already extended a little bit far. Let's see what the got a high volume node at 53, a little bit of volume in the high 50s. of volume at 70, 70 to 72. Just gonna check on the other time frames here. The 2 minute looks pretty good in terms of a consolidation. There's a little tag right there. I would like to see, after a move like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially 6. I would like to see a red candle close on a higher time frame, or on the 5 minute, and maybe even two red candles. $15-minute looks strong. It's a nice breakout right there. Look at that wick. It's a pretty big wick. At 18 minutes on the half hour. At the 4 hour. The 4 hour, 1 hour, half an hour, and 15 all look the same right now. Big green candle, smaller consolidation candle. Big green, smaller consolidation. Hit 30-second. Big green, smaller consolidation. Big green, smaller consolidation. So this 15 closes in 1 minute. I think this looks really nice. This wick is just it's a little big. Yeah, this looks really good. But what I don't like is on the 15-30 minute, if we rise and then base and then rise, that would negate it on the 4 hour. This doesn't close until noon. So maybe we chop until then. I don't know. I do like it on the 30-minute. If it still looks good, I'll take it. You just might have to be a little patient with it. I'd like to see these two line up. So a small red close down here. There's 14 minutes on this candle. This looks good. Nice little pullback. The 5-minute, I'd like to see this just stay. Probably wick through, but if the bodies all close above this, that'd be great. This looks great as well. It has 65 as the top of the wick here. I think that might be a key level. So I don't really want to short this. I just wouldn't be surprised to see some weakness down to the 65. But it's too bullish for me to want that short. We're just consolidating at the 30-minute high. Where's the 65 down here? 8 minutes on this 30-minute candle. I mean, this is holding nicely. That might be the support candle right there. Let's see, we'll see if we can get 2 more to go sideways. It might not wait. That's alright, if it goes, I got something. It might just push here. Formats, candle close. We have a little bit of value developing here in the 70s, 70 to 76. And the high day is not that far away, so it wouldn't, I'd be trading for excess on the high. This might be the pullback. I'd actually like to see it come back here in the 60s. A nice quick flush down, pick it up there. I don't know that that's gonna happen. Minutes. All right, I'm gonna take this as a 3-bar play. I'm gonna risk probably 64 just to give it a little bit of room, which would be a little bit of an expensive trade. However, if it plays out, I think that there's just a lot of room to run. Maybe 6,600 is on the table. One minute till candle close. See what the smaller time frames look like. Sideways consolidation. Sideways consolidation. 30-minute.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna pick this up here. And I'm gonna give myself a little bit of room on the stop. Just pulling this down just in case. I'm still in the combine, so I can only make so much money before it'll impact the consistency rule. With this, I'm just gonna manage it. I think there's plenty of upside. And maybe 66 is in the cards. We'll see. I think at least a break of the high of day. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a little extension here. Here we go. Let's see the push. There it is, very nice. So now I'm going to get a lot more picky with my stop. And I'm just going to look for momentum to fade here, and then I'll take this off. Very nice. We're in the 80s. Just move my stop up. All right, I'm getting good here. Yeah,
Order filled.
I'm good with that. We probably keep going. But I'm just happy with that for the day. Plus 481.90 on the day. The account is up $534. To recap, there were 2 trades. The break of the 30-minute high. So I got long for break of the 30-minute high. And then it looked a little weak to me, so I was thinking that we could come back down and retest that, the 30-minute breakout, turn resistance into support. So I got out and then waited for a rise-based rise to form. It really didn't look as clean as I would hoped. So I really like when you see the range expansion candle, in this case a green candle. The best that I like to see is a small red candle right here, just something that's in a very tight range. And then that third candle is the candle I like to trade. So it was the second candle that has a little bit too much range for me to play this very heavily. But it still is a rise-based rise, and that's what I ended up taking for the second trade. Is we have a rise, we base right above the 30-minute high, which is very nice, and then I got in for potentially a second leg. And the second leg might keep going, but it hasn't really been strong enough for me to want to stay, to really risk my profit on the day to stay. So that's it, 2 trades, plus 481.90, so up $500 in the account so far, which is about a little bit under 20% of the way to the 3K target to get funding. And I'll be at it tomorrow.